Adobo was first prepared by the Malays. After some time, the Chinese improved by adding different kinds of spices such as soy sauce, salt, and vinegar. During the Spanish era, stewing the dish became very popular. As you can see, even before, it was already a favorite. Lastly, it was hamburgerized by the Americans during their colonization. These events in the past make adobo the food it is today.
Filipinos from all across the country have adapted their own way of cooking adobo. Their recipes reflect their own culture and heritage, making each kind unique.
These are the ingredients of the adobo. As you can see, it is a very wide variety. But of course, these may vary to your specific liking. There may be a lot of ingredients, but this will definitely be worth it. Now, we present to you our video of appreciation of adobo.
Now take a look at that delicious, mouth-watering. It's amazing. Yeah. Adobo is a picture of our history, our national dish.
Adobo is presently enjoyed worldwide.
As you can see, the pictures here show different people enjoying the delicious meal. They can't help but smile as they indulge in the Philippines' national dish.
So what are you waiting for? Go on and try the adobo. You definitely won't regret it.